Okay, so welcome back. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do an example of where, again, we're going to compare the parametric curve to the rectangular curve on the rectangular plane. Okay, we're going to map them to the same one. Okay, as you're going to see, they always map the same curve. The only difference is with the parametric curve, you're going to have the directional arrows to tell you how it's being traced. Okay, so now at t equals 0, all we're going to do is we're going to take the parametric equations here, set up our table, and we're going to do, again, for here, they restrict the domain of for t greater than or equal to 0. So I just took some points from 0 to 5, and I just plugged them in. So I just plugged 0 in for t in both of them. I got 1 comma 0, and when t is 1, I get 2 comma 1, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I just did that for the first 6 numbers from 0 to 5, so first 6 integers. Okay, now I'm going to just plot these, and what do I get? I get 0 comma 1. Oh, hold on. 1 comma 0, I mean. 1 comma 0, and then 2 comma 1. Now the next point I'm going to plot is 5 comma 2. So that's going to be 5 comma 2. And I already know what this is going to look like. So this is going to be like a square root function, right? So what happens is it's basically half of a parabola. It's the top half of a parabola. And so you could see that the directional field okay, the directional lines are going that way. Okay, now, what about the rectangular equation? Well, if you solve for t, right? So in this case, if you solve for t equals x minus 1, and then plug it into here, you get y equals the square root of x minus 1. Well, if you plug in the values, well, obviously you can't have negative numbers under the radical, right? So the smallest that this can be is 0. So at x equals 1, you get y equals 0, right there. At x equals 2, you get y equal to 1, right there. And then at x equals 3, you get the square root of 2, right there. At x equals 4, you get the square root of 3, right there. At x equals 5, or excuse me, yeah, at x equals 5, you get the square root of 4, which is 2. And then at x equals 7, you get the square root of, hold on. Yeah, that's right. At x equals 6, yeah, that's right. At x equals 6, you get the square root of 5. That's what I was looking at. And so you get the exact same curve. The only difference is, with this one, you don't get the directional lines. You just get the curve. And that's it. Have a great day.